Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cat Cat is in the lap. She's just all like, oh, I'm so tired, Mom. My doctor asked me today, he said, are you getting enough sleep? I was like, I ain't done nothing but been in bed for 2 days. I don't know, am I? But I am back out of the bed and I'm fixing to open this Rocksbox. It has been sitting here for a few days waiting to be opened because I have not felt my best. My head, y'all. Headache. I think it's probably the weather change, because it was like down in the 50s and the 30s, and then it was back up to the 70s, almost 80, and then there's another cold front coming through tomorrow, so it's going to get cold again. But I'll be out of town in another part of the state, well, actually a whole different state, going to Dad's, to the farm, and yeah, it's cooler there because it's closer to the mountains, and I'll probably be all kinds of crazy when I get home too. But we're going to open this Rocksbox. I love Rocksbox. This is a jewelry rental subscription. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry in each box. They charge you $21 a month. Not a box, a month. So you pay the $21 a month, you get a box. If you don't like anything in it or you only wear it for 1 day, you send it right back. They're immediately going to send you another box. So you can get multiple boxes in a month. Or if you keep the jewelry for a longer period of time, like if you want to keep it all month, you might not get a box in a month. It just depends on how long you keep it. I love it. I love having a revolving door of jewelry. And, if I don't like it, I don't have to wear it. But you can also keep the stuff. Like, I do believe both of these pieces I wore. Actually, I bought from Rocksbox. So, I love it. This one, I think, is Kendra Scott, isn't it? I don't remember. But, yeah, I absolutely love Rocksbox. Now, they do give you a discount for being subscribed, and they have shops where they do sales. I actually think this month they're doing something special. Is it 30, maybe $30 off if you keep all 3? Sometimes they do that. Let me see. By the way, your $21 is credited back to you if you keep something. If you decide to buy it, you're going to get that back. Now, brands like Kendra Scott normally don't let you get the member discount. They're just going to be their flat price, but it tells you all that in here. Okay, it is 30% off right now of the items in your set with the code SPOOKY30. So that's a limited time only. It says my box was delivered 10/21. It's 10/24 right now, and there are my pieces. They do send you a preview of your pieces so you can choose to switch them out if you want to. I believe all of my pieces were on my wish list, which you can do. You can go on there and say, oh, I want this one, I want that one. I like this, I like that. And you can also put in what order you want them if you want something before something else. There's like 8 different send me that first things. So, customizable, you can get whatever you want. No earrings, you want only gold, whatever, you can adjust it. So you want to keep this bubble bag because you're going to put everything you want to return back in here. You'll put your mailer, your label on top of the old label and take it back to the post office. I love their fall design for their box. It's so simple and cute. And there goes my box. Oh my gracious. Let me see if I can pick it up. Miss Callie in the lap. I did it. I did it. She wiggled a little, but she's okay. All right. Now she's sticking her butt up. She's like, ooh, Mama pet me. Hey, gorgeous. On the back of your Hey Gorgeous card is your jewelry care instructions. They do have demi-fine now, so they have special instructions for the demi-fine. But the regular jewelry, it just says, don't get it wet, don't take showers or get in the pool with it, don't spray perfume on top of it, make sure all that stuff is dry before you put it on. And if you want to clean it, you wipe it down with the baggies it comes in. See? Baggies. Ooh, look at that. There's a Kendra Scott. Yep. Yay. Alright. So, my return label is on the back of my spreadsheet. And see, everything, if I was to keep everything without any discounts, it would be $199. I would get a rose gold reward discount. Now there's several different, how do the rewards go? Let's just look at them. I am at rose gold level. That means I get an extra 5% off. been meaning to tell y'all the benefits and things on it. So you have your base member, which is nothing. Then you get to your rose gold, which is once you've spent $50. Then once you spend $250, that's silver. And then once you've spent $1,000 with them, that means you're a gold member. And of course, every member gets extra perks. Base, you get core membership benefits, the $21 a month shopping credit, which is what you pay in. Ways to earn more shopping credit, which is like the referrals, things like that. By the way, if you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a referral code, or I think there's a link down below. I'll put a code over here. It's GINA BFF45. That will get you your first box free, and I think it's $25 forever credit. Yeah, $25 in forever credit. Now, once you're the gold member, that's me, you get an extra $5 off. 5%, I'm sorry, you get an extra 5% off. The silver member will get an extra 10% off, and they'll also get early access to the sales and events. The gold members will get 15% extra off, the early access to sales, priority access to new collections, and exclusive sales and promotions. So that gives you a little idea of how the rewards program works. Like I said, I can earn credit if y'all subscribe. Looks like I have a little credit. Got $8.70 in credit. Ooh, I'm a rich. Okay, so I have to spend another $105 before I can level up. I'm trying not to, y'all. I'm really trying not to, but my goodness, I just fall in love with things. Okay. If I buy all three, I do get $10 off. Sometimes they'll do things where if it's buy two to get 10, buy three get 20. It just depends. You have to watch out for their sales. So subtotal of discounts $46.97. So if I keep everything, I would actually pay, and that's with all of my credits, $171.05. Probably not going to do that because I don't need to spend that money, but we are going to look and see what I get to wear. Kendra Scott, yay! All right, this is the Lee earrings in gold and night opal. They are $98 value. I've been wanting to put some more color in my earrings because most everything, it's gold, it's silver, it's rose gold, but I wanted some color. So I grabbed these. Now look how much green you can see through the camera. When I'm looking at them, I see more blue, but I just thought they were cute, funky fun. I love funky fun. Let's put them in. Seems like they had different colors of it too. I would like to get some real opal though. My son's girlfriend loves opal. He bought her this opal ring. It was so pretty. My son likes to spoil her. I don't know where he got such things from. Look how pretty that is. Just a little pop of color on your ear. Very cute. Like I said, I wouldn't pay $98 for them. But Kendra Scott is a really good brand, and I really love it. So pretty. I love going to Kendra Scott. They have a little bar where they'll make your necklaces and stuff for you right in front of you. You get to pick the stone and everything. In your birthday month, you get half off of one piece. I really love Kendra Scott. All right, so what do we think of those? I think they're pretty cute. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. It did have a little extra flyer in here that's, I guess, special care for Kendra Scott stuff. Who knows? All right, Rocksbox baggie. Oh, these are more earrings. I'll have to take the other ones out. So these are Slate. These are copper hoops in gold. I'm a little concerned they're going to be a little heavy for me, but I do like the look of them. They're cute. All right, let's take these back out. I thought about getting one of those little calendar things that tells you what day it actually is on the back. And I thought, well, gosh, if I put what day I'm filming, will it confuse y'all? Or would you like to know the day I'm actually filming everything? I curious, or if it doesn't matter, you know, just tell me below. Because I'm always curious to know what y'all think. Sometimes when I'm watching videos, I think, I wonder if they filmed that today or last week or, you know, last year. I like to try to tell you. I cannot get this in. Okay, there we go. See, sometimes I struggle too. So, I mean, they're not as heavy as I thought they would be, and they're cute. I'd wear them. I don't know that I'd buy them. How much were they? $46. I mean, that's a little much, but it's not too bad. What do y'all think? Do you like them? All right, so let's move to the next piece. Now, this is a Rudiment Morgan necklace in mother of pearl, and I do love stuff in mother of pearl. I don't remember seeing this one. I mean, I may not have looked at it close, especially if it was a headache day, which I've had a lot of. Oh, it's pretty. I remember it now. Look at that mother of pearl in the background. Pretty starburst in the middle with, let's see, Rudiment styles are crafted with 14 karat gold and silver plated finishes. Look at the little stones in the middle. Where's my glasses? I need my glasses. Yeah, it's 4 little stones in the middle there. Very cute. I think I just messed. Oh, my hair is already messed up. Who are we kidding? Everything from Rocksbox is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about that. Absolutely love that, knowing that it's all sanitized. Oh, look, on the back, it's just the mother of pearl, so if you didn't want the star, you could wear it the other way. I love stuff that I can flip around and make functional in more than one way. It does have an extender on it in the little claw foot. I'm going to put it more towards the longer side and see how long we can get it. See, I think that's pretty. I think it's really pretty. I love the mother of pearl. So cute. That's what it looked like without the star. I think that's cute. $55. I would actually think about paying that for it. I think it's pretty. What do y'all think? It may be my favorite out of all of them. All right, so y'all let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you wear it? Would you pay for it? What do y'all think? I want to know all of y'all's opinions. Comment below down in that little comment section that's down below the description box. I'll put all the information in the description box if you want to know anything more about these pieces, along with the link and the referral code. If you want to try Rocksbox for yourself, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to your creator, which is me or Callie Cat, whichever way you want to think about it, there are 2 ways to do that now. You can press the super thanks button, which is like giving it a tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. I actually get a little more of a percentage that way if you do go to the Buy Me a Coffee website. I have a link below for that. It's under Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.